What's going on? It's Raj over here at the domain flip. What's going on with you? All right, so we put out a job yesterday about a video, um, a video coordinator, right? Somebody just to make videos for us with this, excuse me, with this AI bot that we got, and we have a lot of people, right? We got a lot of people showed up, so these are all potential candidates, right, that can help you build and blow up your business, right? Now, the beauty of this thing is you can start for free, right? You don't got to pay anything for Upwork. You talk to the people, making sure that they understand the assignment, right? And it's usually a simple assignment, right? You're just making YouTube shorts, right? And the YouTube, excuse me, and the YouTube shorts are very simple to make, especially if you have something like like this, right? Where all you got to do is put in a prompt, right? You can find the keywords from vidIQ, SEMrush, any kind of keyword tool, Hrefs. Put a topic in there. Make shorts. Now I'm gonna give you a warning: when you're making shorts, right, for a brand new YouTube video channel, do not upload. You got to season the channel first before you go crazy, right? So I would suggest that you upload about 5 to 10 videos a day. All right, if you could do 5 to 10 videos a day, you're good, right? So you really don't even. It all depends on how many channels you got, too, right? So you can have your channels spread out. You can have 20 YouTube channels, have them all spread out. Boom, right? Now, but with signing up with YouTube, you're going to need a phone number. YouTube needs phone numbers. TikTok, you don't, right? TikTok, you can blow up fast on TikTok, too. So you can take those videos and you can put them on TikTok and you can hurry up to try to get 1,000 subscribers, right? I'm just looking at something. Sorry. With TikTok, you need 1,000 subscribers before you can drop your link, right? Um, and, and that's the only way TikTok is going to work. So there are limitations on these traffic sources. YouTube is good, but you can't blow them up. And for some reason, they don't want you to move fast. All right, no traffic source wants you to move fast. All right, so take your time, upload slowly and regularly. They don't want you to upload a lot of content super fast. All right, but anyway, Upwork does work, and you can find talented people. Um, I found one, right? I hired one, right? She understood the assignment. She's brand new. She doesn't need any kind of skills, right? All you're doing is copying and pasting and putting in prompts and downloading and uploading. Man, very simple. Very simple process. Hire your people. When you hire your people, man, make sure you take care of your people. All right, and then you can continue to blow up. All right. Anyway, I'll catch you later. All right, peace.